Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plan, explaining here. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty and then Nifty, and I will update one stock, right? Today it's just a preview for that. It's regarding the RBL bank. So now it's already what we discussed in that yesterday, right? Here I expecting the three-way structure, right? It already did the three-way structure. Now on impulsive wave it started. So now whether this is the five-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this it is a little bit complicated to count the wave, but I did in that SGX Nifty, right? So SGX Nifty, it seems like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Later onwards it looks like impulsive wave, and then this is a correction wave, and this is also, it's looking like a correction part. So still now I am not getting this kind of impulsive way to the downside. It is looking like only the three-way structure, and it is not looking like a triangle also in that. So if it seems like this is a triangle, this is not that a triangle formation for the B wave. We considered if it is a impulsive wave like this. So what I'm expecting now for this week, and this is looking like an impulsive wave. So it may be again tomorrow, maybe a three-way structure, and again one more impulsive way to the high to break the previous high. Later onwards it could do like this. So once this is a WXY, so this is the running flat corrections, and then this will become the irregular flat formation. Either, so we consider this, we consider this as a one, right? So this will become the correction part. So this become A, B or C, or it's a W, X and Y. So I'm expecting whether from the running flat it can shoot from here, or either if it is an expanded flat it can break this low also, and then again one more high. So now tomorrow I'm expecting the three-way structure here, but not to break this low, today's low. Later onwards three-way structure, one impulsive way. So for this ABC is a W, so this could become X and Y, or if we kept this as ABC is a ABC is a B, and C means the five-way structure can happen. Either it could be a running flat or it could be an expanded flat to break this low, and later onwards I am expecting the possibility of the high to reach this 17,700 and above. So now this is the invalidation point, that is perfect. This is this stop, and there is no compromising here to move the stop loss. So this is the invalidation level for this bullish scenario. So in that Nifty also, so it seems like here in the Nifty it is not looking like a five-way structure. That I already informed the previous in the chat also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for this one, this is the 2, so this could be the 3, 4 and 5. So here also 1, 2, 3, so it's a ABC. Later on it seems like a 4 that ABC correction, and then we are expecting that five-way structure to move highs upper side. So once whether this is a ABC is a W or X, or this is a B and we are in the C, or else it could be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ways, maybe five-way structure, and later onwards this could become a leading diagonal here from this to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether it is from here, we measure like this one second, from this high to this, and it is 786, not 1. So we may again, it could be the five-way structure has to get rejected within this zone, not here. So the five-way structure has to end within this zone. Otherwise, what it will do, it may do that one more three-way structure. So then this leading diagonal won't be here. So one A B C. So A B C again. This B, the intermediate wave B or X, could be the complex corrections, like means the W X Y. So this could be the W X. So why we are expecting this as a W X or A or B means here it is not a clear count, and only in the SGX Nifty it is a clear count for me. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let's wait for how it is taking place and making the structure. And I already informed that we are in that fourth wave. So whether we didn't know yet whether the fourth wave is completed and we are on the fifth wave, or it should be the fourth wave ahead still in the formation of that irregular flat, or it could be a triangle. That you have to mind that. And if you are following me from the last week and or 1 month before, you come to know our idea for this Roman letter 4. So no need to take another look in this, and we will talk about that RBL bank, right? See, the perfect what I explained in the November 17th, I will give the link below the description. You just go for that, and I'm expecting this 135 zone to break this low. So then this could be the correction part. So this is the W, this is the X, this is the Y, and I already informed that once it reached the zone, we have to make this as a stop loss, as an invalidation, and I'm looking for that 340 zone. But whether it is going and it is getting ready from here itself, or the question mark plays here, because what kind of another correction it may be ahead. So as per my the previous what I expected, it already reached here. But even though it can get more complex correction means, but the target is fixed for me is 360. But we have to place the stop loss here for the target of 360, and if you are entered for the 140, but it will took more time. You have to mind this. But see, from here nearly of April 20th, and here it reached Jan 21. So nearly 7 months it reached the target. So the same 7 months it can reach the target of 340. I'm expecting for the C wave. But if it get more complex correction, so what it will do here is, see, you have to watch this. This is that kind of five-way structure, it seems like here. So here also this is the A, this is the B looks like, and it could be the C, and here also the one five-way structure is got completed in the wedge formation. So somewhat it looks like this. See, I'm not so confident here. I'm not so confident here, but my buy zone got reached. I already bought at 134. I already bought at 134. So now I'm expecting whether this could be the another five-way structure. Later on, one more low is also possible to break this. Why I'm expecting this? Whether this is the impulsive wave, this is the correction, and this is the impulsive wave, means this is the A, B, C. For this impulsive wave, this could be the B, but see, but here that Fibonacci retracement is above 1618. Sometimes in forex and the equities it is crossing that 1618 for that B as an irregular flat formation, and one more 5 ways to trap all the retailers, and even though Elliott wave traders also looking for the 5-way structure, and this is a new impulsive wave, but that could be the end of the C. So this is the A, B, C is a B and C. So later onwards this could become the bigger correction, and one more low is also possible to break 130. What are the low today make? So after then only it will shoot. So but what I'm expecting here is, I'm expecting the bullish. If it is the end of the correction in the part of, it's a W, so this could be A, and this is not looking like the B. It is a simple impulsive wave. If I hide this, this is a very aggressive. But here it's confused me, right? Here it looks like 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5. It looks like the same. So either this is the new impulsive wave and this could be the correction part and one more impulsive wave like this. So if it reaches here in this 188 zone or 180 zone, I will book the profit here, and I need to look for that breaking this trend line. It's a simple, but it's a tough to apply that. If it reached here, just to book the profit, nearly 30% of the profit we are already need to book the profit here and wait for that further confirmation, whether we didn't know whether it is going to break the one more low or from here itself it can shoot for the 340. So you have to get ready to book the profit here, or else if it is reaches again, you need to leave this profit and you need to add once it break this low, making this as a stop loss. So if it hit the stop loss, then that will be very difficult to reach this 340 zone. Why? Means this is the impulsive wave, this could be the correction, and one more impulsive wave to up to, if it is running flat, up to 200, then one more down is also possible. So in RBL bank, I don't know about the fundamental news, but it reached my buy zone, what I have already informed that in that November 17th. So hope you enjoyed this analysis using Elliott's theory with the prediction for Nifty, and this is the review for that previous update for that RBL bank. So we will see you tomorrow, or if I found a time tomorrow, otherwise we will make it as a day after tomorrow for the next predictions. Thanks a lot. Have a nice wonderful week. Bye.